What's up, Peak Timers? Today we're racing 50 of the latest Hot Wheels cars in a big tournament to find out which one's the fastest. And our race number 1 cars are on the starting grid. Let's have a look at who's racing. First, we've got the Audi Sport Quattro, the Dune Daddy, the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, the Copo Camaro, and the Porsche 918 Spyder. And we do have our GoPro Hero 5 Session camera car to get the on-track look at the race. Let's get going with race number 1. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Copo Camaro that takes the win in race number 1. And our race number 2 cars are on the starting grid. First, we've got the Volkswagen Keifer Racer, the Ford Focus RS, the Ford Mustang from 2018 Mustang GT Custom Golf Edition, the Tesla Model 3, and the 69 Corvette race car. Here we go, race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Mustang that takes the win and joins the Camaro in the next round. And race number 3 cars are on the starting grid. Our first one is the 2018 Mustang GT, the Indy Oval, the Track Manga, the Corvette Stingray. This is a treasure hunt car and exotic. Let's get race number 3 started. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's Track Manga that takes the win and moves on to the next round. And we're off to the next round. Our matchup is the Dodge Challenger Drift Car, the Mercedes Unimog 1300, the Z-Rod, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GT, and the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. Let's get this race started. On your mark, get set, go! Go! And the Nissan Skyline takes the win and then gets hit, but it'll be all fixed up for the next round. And here we are for our next matchup. We've got the 5 Alarm, the Dodge D100 pickup, the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, the Roadster, and the Mercedes AMG GT3. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Dodge D100 pickup that takes the win and moves on to the next round. And our next matchup is on the starting grid for race number 6. We've got the Jeepster Commando, the Chevy Nova Golf Edition, the Honda City Turbo 2, the McLaren Senna, and the Dodge Viper. Here we go. Race number 6. On your mark, get set, go! And it is the McLaren Senna that takes the win and moves on to our next round. Race number 7 cars are on the starting grid. First, we've got the Hot Wheels Armored Truck, the Cadillac ATS VR, the Dodge Charger, the Nissan GTR Guaczilla, and the 2018 Camaro SS. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Go! And the Treasure Hunt Hot Wheels armored truck takes the win and moves on to our next round. And race number 8 cars are on the starting grid. We've got the Porsche 917 LH, the 92 Ford Mustang, the Nissan Fairlady 2000, the 78 Dodge Little Red Truck, and Muscle Bound. Let's get race number 8 going. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Go! And the 92 Ford Mustang crosses the line first to take the win and move on to the next round. Our race number 9 cars have been waiting long enough. They're all set and ready to go. We've got the Hot Wheels PD Camaro, the Mercedes AMG GT3, the Porsche 911, the Mercury Cougar, and the Chevy C10 pickup. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And it's the Porsche 911 that crosses the line to take the win and then gets flipped over, but it still moves on to our next round. And the last 5 cars from our first round are all set. We've got the Volkswagen Golf MK2, the Honda CRX, the Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck, the Tesla Roadster Starman Edition, and the Dodge Charger 500. Here we go, race number 10. On your mark, get set, go! Close race, but it's the Dodge Charger 500 that takes the win and moves on to the next round. And here are our 2 races for our next round matchup. Comment down below which car you're going for and you want to see win the tournament. And here's our semi-final matchup first race. We've got Track Manga, the Dodge D100, the Nissan Fairlady 2000, the custom 2018 Ford Mustang Golf Edition, and the Copo Camaro. Let's find out who moves on to the finals. On your mark, get set, go! Go! Close race, but it's the Dodge D100 pickup truck that takes the win and moves on to the finals. Our next semi-final matchups are all set and ready to go. We've got the Hot Wheels Armored Truck Treasure Hunt Edition, the McLaren Senna, the 92 Ford Mustang, the Dodge Charger 500, and the Porsche 911. Who's gonna take the win and move on to face the Dodge D100 pickup in our finals? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! Go! And the 92 Ford Mustang takes the win and will move on to our finals to face the Dodge D100 pickup. And here we are at our final race to find out who is the new 50 car champion, the Dodge D100 pickup truck or the 92 Ford Mustang. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! Go! The 92 Ford Mustang takes the win and is our tournament champion. Congratulations to the 92 Ford Mustang. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car that raced in our Hot Wheels tournament today.